Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to create a birthday song with name. So a little easy to make because it's just a website. Go to your Chrome browser and in the search bar type one happy birthday. So you need to click on the first URL, which is onebirthday.com, and you'll be taken to this page. So at the top, you need to write the name of the person you want to create this birthday song of. So just go ahead and write my name and click on the search. So here it will show several names. Just click on your actual name. Make sure you avoid all of these ads, and here they will show you this option. Click the button and you'll be taken to next page where you have the birthday song on my name. So it has just created a birthday song with my name immediately. So if you want to download this, you can just go ahead and click on this download icon from this three dots in this audio. And after you download, you can use it in your videos or your photos to post it online. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.